Hey everyone, thanks for stopping in today. I have a heavy box. This is from AIA, the American Influencer Beauty Bundle. It's a heavy one. It just came today. I just slit the tape. Be strong, be beautiful, be you. Always is in the inside of the box. A little sneak peek. This month is the brand Chi, C-H-I, in case you didn't know. It's just $38 a month. In the United States, we get free shipping. Don't think we pay tax. I don't believe so. Access to new brands. This is basically a brand takeover box each and every month. Value of over $100. They do donate $1 for each box sold to a charity, and they do list the charity on their website. I kind of like getting all one brand each month. It allows you to try more from that brand to make an informed decision whether you really like them or not. Just trying one product is, you really can't say, oh, I love ABH because I love a lip gloss or a liquid lipstick. You would have to try several products from them. I love Unboxy, like Premium does a takeover. And this one has always been a full brand. I'm excited for Chi. I don't know if a lot of people were. I do use their products, sprays and texturizing sprays. My flat iron is from them. My hair dryer is from them. Don't know what else. I know I have other products in my bin with all my hair care stuff. So let me find the card. Oh, here we are. So this is the card for the month. So let's get right in, and I'll start with this first product. This is Chi Infra, and this is Silk Infusion right here. How many ounces? 6 fluid ounces. $19.75 for a value. It helps revitalize and helps strengthen your hair. It's lightweight, restores hair to its healthiest state. This product, you will be able to manage frizz, static. I do use products like these sometimes in my hair, not all the time. I don't think I've ever tried this, so I'm excited. The next, which I'm excited for because I have never tried, is the Chi Hydrate Care. This is the shampoo, $16. And then we got the conditioner, $16. Let me see the ounces, 12, and this should be 12 also. Yes, 12. So shampoo and conditioner. Oh, my nose is runny today, so sorry. It's natural hair care. Promotes healthy hair. Let me see. Purifies the hair and restores needed moisture to leave hair squeaky, clean, and refreshed. It helps remove buildup from your scalp without stripping your hair of its natural oils. And the conditioner, let me just, where are you? Gentle formula nourishes and hydrates hair for total repair and strength. Let me see if I can smell these. I don't know if I can smell, my nose is so clogged up. That smells nice. Ooh, nice and clean. Not overpowering. And this has a seal on it. The conditioner does not. Okay, so that's 3. Fourth product is here, and this is Chi Echo Home Kit. This has a value of Warriors to the side of me. Let me see, we're $30. This 7-piece, 100% biodegradable comb set are made from compostable plant-based plastic that is derived from corn. Okay. They're heat resistant up to 248 degrees Fahrenheit and are tough on tangles but gentle on your hair and scalp. And this is the packaging. Stick you out. Use connect. Yes. Let me get some scissors. I don't want to cut into that. Let me all these little things all over the place either. Let me just take that out. Right there. This is what it looks like. cute. Is it just untwist? Yeah. Okay, so when you open it up, it goes this way, I would assume. And flip the top up, and this is what I see. Right here. Nice little comb set. Not real big into combs, but I might. This is huge. Right here. That one. Then we have this size, a little smaller. And then this one. And they say Chi Echo on them. Oh, this is a good one to get through, like regular, and the curls or things like that. That's nice. This would be a good one just to go through your hair like that. And then this is your standard, you know. But if you wanted to like curl, you can grab a section of hair, grab it and comb it, tease it. Nice. They feel nice in your hand. At first I wasn't sure what I thought about a comb set, but not bad. I might share some of these. I know my mom uses a lot more combs. I'm not big into combs, but maybe I'll start using them. I like the little case it comes in. Keep everything nice. Oops, we can get that back in there. Nice little comb set. And then the last one, which I can't show you because it has a code. And I hope nobody shares the code, honestly, because that would not be right. It says, here's your $25 Chi gift card on us. Claim this reward with promo code blank when you shop on www.chi.com, and you can spend $25. It shows you the gift card in the front there on anything that you want from that site. And I do think you can find at least one item that would be full size for that price. I was looking, and there are some like smaller sizes of a couple products that I wanted to try, and I think 2 products in fact that I think would be covered by that, where I wouldn't have to pay anything additional. Now, I have no idea how they're going to handle tax and shipping. That could be a little off-putting if that's not inclusive, like when we use our code, that we don't pay shipping. I hope there's not tax on this kind of stuff. But 30, so that's 32, 62 and 20, 72, 82 in product plus 25. So they did meet the $100 minimum that they promised. I'm excited to try this stuff. I've never, like I said, I'm not a big comb user, so that, like, I'm iffy about the gift card. Okay, not bad. I'm excited to try this. I like products like this, and I'm always up for new shampoo and conditioner. I love changing it up. I don't like using the same shampoo and conditioner all the time. I think your hair gets used to it, and then your silk and your shininess and manageability is different. And not talk about the elephant in the room, I did get my hair cut today. Had some more layers put in. Just, it looks shorter, but it's just the way it was dried, because the back is still pretty long. I only had the ends trimmed off just to try to keep the length, and we'll see how long I can stand the length, but just to change it up, give my hair a little bit more movement and body and shape. It was just shapeless before, so we'll see. And did you get the AIA Beauty Box this month? Tell me your thoughts if you did. I'm happy with it, but I love stuff like this. Now, I don't want a hair care box 2 months from now, because I'm still going to be using this. So I think they need to make sure that they space these kinds of boxes out so that you can use the product that you get and not be overwhelmed with hair care products. I hope they get back to a little bit more makeup. That would be nice. Maybe some more skincare. Nail care would be wonderful. Pick a brand and fill the box. Give us a lot of products. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great day, and I'll see you all in tomorrow's video. Bye-bye for now.